Hi, welcome back. How would you like to start earning insane amounts of money online with hardly any effort? Today, I'm going to show you how you can do just that. On this channel, we show only the best ways to make money online, and we also verify the legitimacy of each website and method so you know who you can trust and who you should avoid. But before we dive into the video, please consider subscribing to this channel. We promise that we will constantly upload new videos frequently to show you the ways of making money online. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of these. You don't need any skills or experience to make this method work. It's so simple. Okay, first of all, you need a PayPal account. If you don't already have one, head on over to paypal.com and sign up for a free account. Once you've done that, head on over to a website called betatesting.com. Once you're there, click on the Join as a Beta Tester button. So let's look at what this website's all about. Beta testing is a website which you can get paid to test new products and give feedback. You can also test websites and hardware and complete tasks. You can earn between $10 and $20 per test or more in some cases. And they don't take long, so our earnings could reach a huge amount of money if you're willing to put in the work and implement this alongside other methods we show you on this channel. They work with some very recognizable companies, and they have a legit track record of payments with great reviews across the board. You must be at least 18 years old to take part. You must be able to speak and write fluently in English. You must also own a PC or a Mac or any other device required for a specific test. The number of tests you receive depends on how many clients match your interests and demographics. Payments are made to PayPal 7 days after the end of one of the projects. All you do is enter your email address and you'll be able to sign up and start earning with your first opportunities within a few minutes. There are some easy questions to answer first, and then you're good to go. Please consider subscribing to this channel so you don't miss any future uploads on how to make money online. And remember to leave a like. Thanks for watching. Until next time.